Earth begins our journey. A quiet night on Earth, the sky above filled with infinite shimmering stars. Oceans glow under moonlight, clouds drift gently across our blue and living planet. Humanity's home, fragile yet beautiful, spinning silently in the endless cosmic dark. Leaving Earth and the Moon. Zooming out, satellites orbit like silver dots circling our glowing world below. The International Space Station glides peacefully, watching 14 sunrises every passing day. The Moon floats nearby, its craters marking time since the solar system's birth. Entering the solar system. The Sun blazes at the center, a fiery sphere 4 billion years old. Around it 8 planets dance: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Asteroids, comets, and icy fragments wander silently through the Sun's vast domain. The pale blue dot. From afar, Earth shrinks to a pale blue dot, fragile, tiny, and precious. Everything we've ever known exists on that single glowing speck of light. The universe watches quietly as our planet spins, unaware of its own wonder. Entering the Milky Way galaxy. Billions of stars swirl together, forming majestic spiral arms of the Milky Way. At its heart lies Sagittarius A, a black hole devouring light and time. Our Sun orbits quietly within the Orion Arm, one among countless stellar systems. The local group of galaxies. Zooming farther, we now see the local group of galaxies drifting within Virgo supercluster. This might be the shining realm of galaxies, endless. Thousands of galaxies swirl together, cosmic cities glowing through eternal night. Gravity weaves this luminous web, holding suns and worlds within its silent embrace. Virgo supercluster. The local group drifts inside Virgo supercluster, a shining realm of galaxies endless. Thousands of galaxies swirl together, cosmic cities glowing through eternal night. Gravity weaves this luminous web, holding suns and worlds within its silent embrace. Loniake supercluster. Beyond Virgo lies Loniake, unimaginable heaven. Stretching 500 million light-years wide, over 100,000 galaxies move together, flowing towards the mysterious Great Attractor. Here, space itself becomes a river, carrying galaxies across time's endless ocean. The cosmic web. Now we reveal the universe's true shape: filaments, clusters, and vast cosmic voids. Each glowing strand holds billions of galaxies, connected like neurons in a mind. Between them, darkness reigns, silent, eternal, and breathtakingly infinite in scale. The observable universe. Now we see it all. 93 billion light-years of visible cosmic wonder. Galaxies, stars, and energy fill this vast sphere, our observable universe complete. At its farthest edge glows the ancient light of the Big Bang's birth. Returning home. Zooming back, galaxies fade, the Milky Way spins, the Sun brightens once again. Earth reappears, small, blue, alive, our only known cradle of existence. The journey ends where it began, home within the cosmic ocean of time. The message of the universe. Every atom in us was born inside stars. We are stardust made conscious. Looking at the night sky, we gaze backward through billions of years of history. We are small, yet connected to everything. The universe within us always shines.